edu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no ne to dwa mu bia obetini Madina Technical Institute school for one more stress some wamra one more kwam ensu eto na no dai ehwehwe school no asifom to wo so ko school na suade ana asasai na tie ye de hon sam no so ebeba yebekwa NPP amanyoko no mu so de to mampani John Dramani Mahama ni mu se galamsey agensamui yemfa enhye no won tu wanamon entem sansam no ne sembi na no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase midi afia amankwa tamaklo Elizabeth Omare ene wachim duki kama ede amami afia ni de mientie se de samni chiremu ankasa etie school 4 year war Madina Technical Institute so esrepa se no madwan ye wontanta so ko school no ko suade anasa senetie enso to na no de wi akire e the school number form abubu niema senioma emu nsam Adom TV kase etwaso
Esukufo a womo Madina Technical Institute ede adesede tudwa sene omanfo ebetimi abeya omomoa na womo edan a womo ekotenemu esuade no sadan nsu etoye no eyi su nchensin nina suku yi enche bia no womo bebie eye epo bosome no da etosomienu na sisia no suku nkwada no ede atudwa se womo eba suku a womo edwen ho kwan a womo befa so ni bebi a womo betene suade ene womo dormitory Assembly Hall asisia no womo staff bungalows enu nina so etunu eyade hadwene pa.
But all we could hear was the roof getting off from the building, and some of the electricals were just wearing off and tearing off.
Some saying it will affect the students or next week because we are supposed to reopen, but because of this catastrophic dissing, I'm pleading for the government to help the school so we will be able to help us to build some of these infrastructures because of the free SHS. Most of these schools are not able to get enough funds to build those infrastructures, like the roofing sheets. Some of the pillars are even wearing out.
Yeah, twaso na NPP amanyoko no ene from mampani John Dramani Mahama se galamsey agensamu no de yemfa enhye no o se animanimi ye no wonkeka na ho no wonye bibi emfa ho.
A national security threat. Say, enquire more na say your forest e wo ho no, omo ehye ho no kuretuo. Omo dey terrorize your national security for na say your police for ne soldier for omo ko. So omo bo your forest ho ban. Na dia yesere ne say onye ne say oma de ni nkwa ho. Na one the party for enkasa say galamsey no eye omunjai.
Owie no sign edina no di sem to dwa wa ban lawyer penny Dominic Akorentenga ayine ya wo kire
o ma fa adwene se court ne de omonko na say bia omonko court ne kura omonim se evidence a omo ko ode court no ene nyina so se omoko court a omedi bim enti before kura omonko court akogo di sankuguo no ombaba media for se abeka cho so osimesi we wieska we dwane kura akote ewo a friend say Senegal ye hwe na ye hu no afa plane ekopie London ananse semonko a nanse semonko a e kire say omo say nipa ni din omo kan to Ghana for trimu say nipa na di bone kura say de akokot but Ghana ha ne ye wo mra sa mra ne kire say nipa bia say nyina ate ya say obi ababa ko edu say sia so osibesi wa fama de e mra ne kire say sa nipa no se wodi kan akasa no nkire se ampara wodi sa bone no se ode enyiraso ekokot ko kire se ampa the American no mehu no picture nie letter nie bank account nie we say na kire pa asasa ne yakomu ahwe se ampara de oka ne no kure
TV Badwam kase na ogiso ehye no yeto so dia na enu adam rahye bedwafo won masetena wo ko ye no ye ilevia banya tisue bra no wo ponto aprem ampani adwo tu dwaso wo betena so be ye free ho no enu awon mo akwaji atuma ye free ho no no nkire se ne ya o sende a ye ntew fi se ebefa ennabi nakakra be ne fo abedunan ansana etumi aye amamra bra mampani de nsa ahyase mu nsam Adom TV kase etwaso
50. Mr. Speaker, I beg to move that the Electronic Transfer Levy Repeal Bill 2025 be now read the third time. I so move, Mr. Speaker. So, is this seconded? Honorable members, question numbered item 50 at page 12 of today's order paper, accordingly moved by the minister responsible for finance. Any seconder?
Yes, I second the motion.
Honorable members, the motion is moved and seconded, and it is for the consideration of the House. Honorable members, motion accordingly adopted, and the Electronic Transfer Levy Repeal Bill 2025 is read the third. Honorable members, the question is, those in favor say aye. Those against say no. The volume of the work is making me speed up. Honorable members, the ayes have it.
An act to repeal the Electronic Transfer Levy Act 2022, Act 1075, and the Electronic Transfer Levy Amendment Act, Act 2022, Act 1089, and to provide for related matters.
Honorable members, the motion is adopted. The Electronic Transfer Levy Repeal Bill 2025 is now read the third time.
Mampe, President, the National Association of Graduate Teachers, and I wanted to address Professor Sma Gwavwa Jesse, our Deputy Director General Magana Education Service, and Yenino in Freeho. The United States, Womuno, Penino, on your training, on your professional teacher, and until the baby at say, education no, and a shaho. Nemum, one way ya church of one, and then more Babedu some pempenson or no, and I was said one more shaho munsum any.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
Yeah, cultural buying say, yeah, say public service, any civil service, no, with political appointment. We are destroying it. Public servant, teacher, civil servant, office secretary, except we are professional. Except we are neutral. Obi a yede ne baba bia e wa sede say uni nipa no ebeye djuma. E wa sede say uni nipa no eba beye djuma. So yepa omampanyin John Dramani Mahama cho say on the resetting Ghana agenda ene bae. Yepa say or resetting public service, civil service. Any political influence, if all these services mo. Any legacy, obejama or mangana. Any nfi baby yedi na ato. Young position me man or university. So a professor. Now you're a professor, but I'm ready or pre-tertiary. Yampe position where university dosun.
Enti wo ensem here ti say ye mu no executive secretary no da closer no Isaac Bampo Ado ono so the Tomampeni John Dramani Mahama ni mu say abanda damfum so ye no won hwe no ono so anye bi Ghana fo nya ne mu gidie enti won de no abanti won hwe se ne bibia wo ye empenifo wo pa wo mo no enya ne kwaso emu nsem ni.
Constitution of Ghana is for all of us. And as law-abiding citizens, we must all comply with provisions in the Constitution. Our Constitution says in Article 195 that yes, appointments of persons into the public services to hold or act rests with the President. But that appointment must be made according to the advice of the council in collaboration with the Public Services Commission. To the best of our knowledge, as we speak now, almost all the councils of public services are not in place. They've been dissolved. So these appointments that are being made, where is the advice coming from? Because according to the Constitution, appointments must be made in accordance. In accordance. That means the president must not deviate from the advice that will come from the council. In accordance with the advice of the council. So please, Mr. President, let's all comply with provisions in the Constitution. We'll be writing to the Minister for Jobs and Employment that we want to sit down and talk to the president. You know he's a listening president. We want to talk to him.
Enkamanta mimo swafo ya Linda ohinewa akwele oklu ode tonsanchofo enimo se womo emo apronko hwe enkran miamia hodo no awode atu just 50 days obehwe se nkanea street light ebeye adwuma no mo apro enkoshe.
Enkramanta muswafo Linda ohinewa akwele oklu ema mensinya hodo no enna aduonum ya ehyasie efri wagefo bosomeda neto so miensa ewo afimpinu ane aduonum yi mu se street lights asese ewo nkramanta mu hanum nyina no wonhwe no wonsiesie sa adwumade ne botaye ene se obehwe ama nkramanta mu hanum no eduru anadwo a ehyen aba emu nyina abra woni nsamtrofo ekobonto a ekohwe street lights fofora wonum asiesie no ene wode ato ensamtrofo nyina anim se sa adwumade a wahyase no wonfa wani eni akire no hu pempenso a ebekwa akuduro.
In fact, after the media engagement, there was a more evidence based. Near cancer street lights na ya ye hu ejuma ampara ya street lights ya the ejuma na mijidi say from here other stretches near can in fact you can go to Accra cut across Kaswa Adan Ningo Prampra. Ain't move funny time out of your busy schedule. Now move visiting all the places ya mention say ya ye hu ejuma na mo ankasa mu say ampara near can e no kra ana say nya no.
So na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na no pay ye de asie ye da se emre ne adaje a wode baaye wadaro matwen ye mbiem ye fa da bon krata no any online stories no to so ye kwaba.